So in the Microsoft Store, there's an app called Microsoft PowerToys. Microsoft PowerToys comes with a bunch of cool little tools that extend Windows in a way that isn't included by default. And today we'll be reviewing one of these tools. The tool will be Screen Ruler. So if I go to the settings here, you'll see that I enabled Screen Ruler. And to activate Screen Ruler, there's this complicated little shortcut here, which is basically Control-Shift, Windows, and M. And this tool allows you to measure pixels on your screen. So let's launch Chrome. In Chrome here, let's say I wanted to understand what size this logo is. Well, I would do the shortcut. Remember, it's Control-Shift, Windows, M. And then at the top, you notice that there's some controls that appear, right? So the top left one is called bounds. So when you left click it and then move the mouse, click, drag, and hold, it tells you the pixel count right there. As a developer, this has been super useful to me in the past. And then when I release, it releases. Now you can also press, for example, spacing, which lets you, as you move the mouse, figure out the distance, how much spacing there is between each item. And look how precise it is. It even goes inside the E here. So horizontal spacing, it really just does the horizontal spacing aspect. You can even tell between the logos here. And then you have the vertical. This type of thing has been useful to me in the past, so I figured I would show you. Enjoy.